Hi, I'm Syeon Koh, Audit Principal at William Buck. Today is part 4 on accounting for exploration and evaluation assets in Australia. In part 3 of this series, we talk about when should impairment be assessed. Today, we're going to talk about how the impairment testing be done. Impairment tests should be performed in accordance with AASB 136, impairment testing. The testing should be performed in accordance with the following steps. It basically involves 3 main steps. Steps 1, we need to allocate the assets to cash generating units or group of cash generating units for the purpose of assessing such assets for impairment. From the context of exploration assets, this will normally be the individual tenement. Steps 2 involve calculating the recoverable amount of the cash generating units, or we can refer it to as CGU. The recoverable amount is the higher of the CGU fair value less cost of disposal versus its value in use. Fair value is the reliable estimate of the price at which an orderly transaction to sell the asset will take place between market participants, which means market price. The cost of disposal is the incremental cost directly attributable to the disposal of an asset or CGU, excluding finance costs and income tax expense. Example of such costs are legal costs, stamp duty, and similar transaction taxes, cost of removing the assets, the direct incremental cost to bring an asset into condition for its sales, etc. The value in use here is determined by discounting future cash flow expected to derive from the asset to present value. Then step 3, we compare the recoverable amount to its carrying value in the book. So any shortfall between the carrying amount versus the recoverable amount, it will be treated as impairment expense. We'll talk about the difficulties in calculating the recoverable amount for exploration and evaluation assets in part 5 of our Accounting for Exploration and Evaluation Assets in Australia series. Thanks for watching, and if you want more information on this, please check out our page for more details and other audit contents.